Okay, y'all, so look at the casino over here. It is packed. And then I guess they're gonna go ahead and do the fair as well. Look at this. The fair. Look at this. Look at the fair. Y'all, I haven't been to this fair. Even though we've been out here like here for years, but we moved and we came back, and I still never been, but I won't go this year because no, not during the pandemic. But it looks so fun. Look at that. That looks so fun. And then look at the parking lot over here. It is packed. Look at that. More people coming in. Look at this. But that ride looks fun. I haven't been to a fair or a carnival in years. Years. The last time I went to, wow, when was the last time I went to? It's been, you guys, like since, wow, wait a minute. Since I was pregnant with my first child. So it's been years. So, yeah, this is the fair they're getting ready to put up over here. Or getting together, put up. He out here, and they got something right there. Look like a cotton candy booth or something. We're gonna go over here and be nosy. They got the big truck things with the, those some nice looking trucks. But they got the sleepers, cause they drive out here. Look, that looks like a little, yeah, that's a little house thing right there. They got the RVs, so they drive out here and bring this stuff to set up the fair, and then they sleep, I guess, on the way out here. And then this is following me. They sleep. They got the little hot dog trailer and stuff right here. Chicken pita. So I guess they drive out here, they go to sleep, and then on the way, or they rest, and then they get to going again, driving. And then they come out here and they deliver this stuff. I'm gonna go left. Let's see. Something trailer, got all the porta potties. Look at all the little the campers. Campers and RVs out here. So then, yeah, anyways, then they get out here, I guess they set up their stuff. They got all of that over there. Oh, they got those out here for sale. Okay, okay. Look at that one, the truck, big truck one, that's cool. We're gonna go over here and look at these cars. Let's see. They got a Sebring, a Caravan. They got any prices on it? There ain't no price on that. So how you gonna know? I guess you have to ask the people. Tall grass. Could be some big snakes up in there. The Sierra, it's missing the back handle. I'm not worried about that though. It's lifted. This tire look different from the front one. Uh-oh. Why are the windows down? Roof is messed up, look a little bit moldy, or what is that? Stapled, it look like blood or something. What is that? Not a good sign when the windows are down. That means something, the windows don't go up, so when it rains, it's just running in there. The Denali looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Doesn't mean it runs pretty good. New York sticker. I like that they got the white lights already on the back, and this thing looks like it's lifted up. You see how high that is? That big, the gap. It's a pretty good size. They lifted this a little bit. Got the running boards. Oh, exactly what I need right here. Tow hitch. The wiring for the trailer. Oh, big pipes. How you got only one pipe? That's a pretty good size. Probably sounds really good. I wonder what they asked for that. This truck is this Chevy is just not lifted. This one's not lifted. Let's see here. Somebody was in the army. Let's see here. I don't know if y'all can see inside because the sun on this side. They don't got no price. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I have my mask on outside. This door looks a bit ajar. Looks open a little bit. Maybe they got the doors open. I'm not gonna try to open it though. A little peeling on the paint. I'm like thinking they got the doors open. You can look inside. And this one got the gas tank just sitting open. That's strange. Got your little toolbox in the back. This truck, I like this because this is comfortable because it's small and low, but I need something big, you know, that has like this one, like the seats in the back. I need that extra cab, that extra, you know, room in the back. I got kids, I got children. The light, what is it, peeling? It looks, I don't know, it's peeling or something. I guess it's peeling. They put the clear plastic over and it's peeling. They got the spare tire, dummy tire on the back. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have the external mic. I just got this media mic on this GoPro and I got my mask on, so I hope y'all can hear me. But I'm probably gonna send this back. I'm thinking about getting another camera because the battery does not last. Like now, it's crazy. The battery's in the green. It was at 70-some%. Now I'm looking at now, it's at 38% yellow. So, not cool. I need something where it lasts. Like the battery will last long. Can't have the battery not lasting long. I'm trying to record videos. Let's take a look at the Sebring. Might be the Touring. The thing I didn't like about these is the lines. How they did the line design in the hood. That's the thing I did not like about these. The old Pacifica, Chrysler Pacifica, like in the front. Yeah, my freaking SD card filled up on that camera. I don't know if y'all got the F-150. If we didn't get it, I just happened to look and it said SD card full. This is lifted. As you see, it used to have running boards. You can tell that they took them off. Well, it looks like it did. Maybe I'm just tripping. Got the meaty tires. Some trim missing. Probably can't see in the window because it's so daggone dirty. I can't see the rim right there, but we got a Lincoln car. What I was trying to see is a LeBaron right there, convertible. That thing is nice. I love those. We had, I believe it was a LeBaron when we were kids, a 4-door one. There's some tears on the seats. The seat looks horrible in here. MKZ Lincoln. Now this is what I want to see. And look at the scoop, y'all. Look at that on the, not the scoop, but the, I call them scoops, on the hood. I don't like the chrome trim. It's too much chrome trim going on. But it still looks good. Rims, those look nice. Wait, that is a King's joint. These are nice. Got the rim, the red trim in there. Oh, this is the GTC. Look at the dual exhaust. This thing probably sounds nice when it started. It's in good condition too. And why that Toyota look like an Acura though? I swear, I'm like, what the heck? This thing is nice. The back. This thing is clean. It's in good shape. The lights just need to be cleaned up a little bit. American, what does it say? American riding or voting? What does it say? Oh, American racing. I was like, what? I couldn't see. Why does it look like an Acura in the front? A few dents. Pretty. I can't see it good, but the center console was pretty tore up. It's the badge. I'm like, cars over there, just sitting back there. Guess they don't run. Durango, Jeep, and everything. Alright guys, let me know what you think about these cars. We got a Camry, a Honda, there's a Acadia over here. Oh, you gotta look at the coupe. Honda Civic EX. A few little dings. Nothing serious. This is a manual stick. The Acadia, they got a Jeep, the Durango up there. I like the Durango. If you're watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, so if you're watching, help me out. Hit that subscribe button. This one's nice. We got the leather seats. It's black, so it looks pretty good. Tow hitch, which y'all keep hearing me say I need a tow hitch. They got the wiring hookup. Some trim's falling off right there, but other than that, not bad looking. I don't like how they don't have no information on the cars though. So no information on the cars. So if you're looking at them and they're closed and you don't know anything about them, like if you wanted to buy something like this beautiful LeBaron over here, and you wouldn't know. Alright you guys, I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Like I said, if you're watching, not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a video, and I'll catch you next video.